They're on their way to Atomic Motors to their upholstery shop, and this upholstery really doesn't hold up all that much. I don't really think it's meant to. Full-time living has its works on these things. So what I'm doing is I bought hides of leather and it's white, and these things are going to get reupholstered along with our queen sleeper sofa. So they're in the back of the truck, and I am on my way to Atomic Motors. This is the beginning of us remodeling our fifth wheel because we decided not to get a new one. Good morning, people. And as you can see, our recliners are gone. These chairs are set up in front of the TV, and they were tremendously missed. Chairs are finally here. Boy, do they look good.
Where's that one go? Right here? Yeah.
Yep. Done deal. Soon for the couch to go. Good afternoon, folks. And today we got our chairs back from the upholsterer at Atomic Motors. They had a few issues and a few things, and they had a couple of things they had to redo, but they've added a little bit more stuffing to the back and a little bit more padding up on the head area, but all in all, they came out great, and I can't wait for the sofa, which will be coming up soon. But they're here. They're back in our fifth wheel, and they were tremendously missed. And on that note, I'll see you on the road.